So this is the review of Truper's camping stove, and it comes inside its own carrying case. It has output for gas installations, its own windshield to protect the flame, holders to secure pots, and a flame adjustment. Along with that, this knob right here, this kind of helps you lock the canister, and you have to use it with these kind of gas canisters, butane propane gas cartridge, and it says like 1/4 ton. So this is the one that you use with it, and also comes with a 10-year warranty. So let me open it and I'll show you. So I'm going to grab this video from the front camera, so maybe you'll see things in reverse, but you get the idea. So I've already opened the box. It comes inside its own case, as you can see, and you open it from here, and this is the case that it comes in. Okay, there is a valve that it came with. So this valve is basically to connect it with an external gas connection, as you can see. I don't know. See? Okay, so let me open it. You open it from these locking mechanisms here, and that's it. Inside you have the stove. I think I opened it on the wrong direction, so you'll open it like this, and you see, this is the locking mechanism. This right here is how you turn it on and off. Apagado means off. ENC is incendio, which means like to turn it on with, you know, the lighter here. So this is how it looks. Very simple construction. You can see there is a copper tube for the gas, and that's what goes inside this. It comes out here, and the lighter part is here, which has, let me take this off. So this is basically the stand to put the pots, and when it says that it comes with a windshield, you can put an external windshield here, but this basically is the windshield part, this right here, this square. Okay, so when you take it out, you can fit it like this, and that's how it would look. And this is the part that opens for the gas cartridge. You see? So let me fit the gas cartridge. Ow, ow, ow. Let me fit the gas cartridge and I'll switch it on. So you open this up, take your gas canister, which is this one, and it's also from Truper. You can buy this online. I think it costs like 60 pesos or something, and this basically goes here inside this valve. So you take it like this, put it here, and you fit it right there. I don't know if you can see, you see, and then you turn this until it comes on its groove. There is a groove right there. There's a groove right there, and it has to lock on its groove there. And then you come in here and you switch this on. So now the gas is flowing. Switch it close, and then here is the part where you can switch it on. So you basically turn the knob here up until last, and that's it. And you can control the flame from here. You see, I think I switched too low, so yeah, that's how it goes. And then here is the apagado, or the off switch. So, very simple construction, very durable. Feels a little bit flimsy because it is thin metal, but I tried some of the pots and pans on this and it looks perfect. Let me show you with a pot. So you can put this here. I did buy some camping pots and pans, so I'll try and show you in the next video. Bye bye.